Thank you for your purchase of Dash Atom Tricycle. This tricycle comes with heavy-duty steel base, big tires, rear basket and LED headlight with music. Please follow this instruction video carefully to know how to assemble the product and to know the amazing features of it. We will now assemble this beautiful tricycle by using these parts. You also need a screwdriver with regular and star shape. First, attach the rear wheels to the main body by using axle rod. Rear wheel packing bush. Then insert wheels on both sides and lock the same with side washer and pin. Also cover it with wheel cap. Now place the front mudguard to the front wheel fork. And it is now ready to be placed as front wheel to the main body. Next, insert two AA batteries to the front handle to activate lively music and LED lights. Then place the handle lock the same. After placing the handle, cover the clamp with handle fitting cap. It's time to place the seat to the main body by simply putting it to the body and lock it with provided screws. In last, place the rear basket to the main body and lock it with provided screws. Your Dash Atom Tricycle is now ready to use. Dash Ride, Kids Pride.